Ghana for Ghana for. Remember me this your boy. And Sanson be this your boy. Remember me yo man, my nigga. What ya say? Meaning at the old Nana O for original. Me no me original. Me ya China for some. And the money golly do what a money golly do. Me name is Special Eyes. Me 2 eyes.
Frankie's yo, and my friends call me when they need me.
So we a pro.
What pro?
Na some back near bought FIFA 2020. Almost a brick game. Azole
Brapa.
Let me put it in my ada.
Mada.
Na ada no me ko ti see Madam Fubi a studio.
I didn't say what I singer.
I'm telling you, say me kwa scouting in your man. I'm a music man.
Who call scout?
I'm telling you. Na Madam Funo ono a friend ne studio no Myself Entertainment.
Hey!
Bibi obeye bi ono an sponsor na Myself Entertainment. Myself Entertainment.
Give it up for I got Mr. Kosasa yo.
Na me ko studio no mo me ko so buy you be hey. I buy you be atum so gina so pa beautiful damsel. We show the vital statistics. I was a Miss Ghana, Miss Malaika. Obano ujina so no jina so selanga. Ni baby so beautiful. Na girl what ya recording no and you ma why ya studio mo won. What is again is our over 3.
Hey.
Am I no more recording a maintain back umpo. Get him pay you.
Na one enyim no.
And also ho. Record label and me go pay ho say record label say recording studio me Nansei record recording studios.
Oh yes.
Recording studios recordia.
Oh yes.
Na engineer or studio ni mo no. Why na mo record label owner. The fact that you have a recording studio does not give you the audacity to open a record label and be yes.
It's just engineer for no more balance. I'm sorry, I'm so much done. I'm set record label. We got 2 boys actually with this on record label, and sign we okay. Hello, what you name again? And
I see again, on my recording and MPA to date. Me say about the deal with radio so and I say you friend for interview po TV so.
Shall we now can answer?
Shall we?
Yes, you say the band so than artist to
Ruby Flashy, only Ruby Flashy.
Allah.
Baba.
Utibotu.
Engineers amaba. Ghana ha. Engineers amaba. Omu tuminya crack fruity loops bini Q based in window beer. Omu nsanho. No person omu expand omu business. That way expand your business cra. You can be the CEO of the record label, but you can't manage the record label. Master, Ghana ha you be bro. The Fidonto boys, the Fidonto girls.
Grow. What's so try?
Uko run mini studio bia mu na hu. So we engineer na nya pop filter baako. We nya phone bi e wo studio no waka ba o chese why surroundings na we tight. Wasa so nya lighting bi ni enyoma bi ni plasma bi wo studio no mu no. Wasa we bi record label.
Hey,
onya ya hammer speakers bi ni your friend say piano bi ni keyboard bi a. Wasa we bi studio.
Enya ya hammer.
Yamaha.
Yamaha.
And no the enfan ho fate baby. I look at the everybody for floor. Omunya sa equipment we kakra, omu pese omu bie recording studio. And omu bie record label. There's a difference between a recording studio and a recording label.
Okay. Afina Matias here.
Yes. Enti the artist eba u studio a, eno nche se chinchine twan. Sign no. Neka se o pese o ye the o manage the music affairs. There be recording label no.
Oh yes.
Enye fedi agro. So wo pese o establish recording label a. Yes. Say wunya departments and organizational structures are omo be den, omo be facilitate activities.
So omo no propel action into motion.
The record label.
Matias here.
What are the recording departments in this?
Okay, me research kakra ma ye. Ana fisig am can say fifi mu kakra ma ye. Amadisia kakra me
departments levels need units what recording label the structures. Okay. Give me the thorough structure of a recording label.
Okay, you were A&R.
I don't interesting.
A&R, I'm not scouting. Maybe you have to way there. Maybe A&R.
Artists and repertoire.
What you say? Me PS and maybe I hear say the same. Oh, Chadia, what you are doing is good. But you yourself maybe you don't even know. It's maybe one. Maybe our structure, form, say the out here no. You are sellable. Not be just any
to show personality.
Personality. No? Say the out here. Say the his demeanor. Maybe he's outspoken and not timid.
Oh, yes,
when we do what A&R they scout talent. They groom the talent. Into under A&R.
Oh yes.
There were managers. No say A&R artist and repertoire. No say see. Into your managers.
Subsets.
Exactly.
Venn diagram and get subsets.
What you say? Say the year exams. You be question 1.
Oh yes.
Under question 1 you A, B, C, D. What you say? So some was see managers. You were personal manager, roads manager, brands manager. Now they make sure the artist is always prepared and looks good before the people and well branded to be well put out there. Who say I said
the daily activities of the artist.
Everyone say, "Oh, Nana, today you get interview for so and so. If you go, this is how you have just dress like this." Everyone say, "Oh, Nana, Charlie, today you for gym. For make sure say gym, looking healthy and looking good, appealing to the camera." What you say? And I everyone say, "Oh, Nana, I want you to go and say this controversial so and so just to make you stay relevant."
Management.
Management, no. Make sure that the artist is on top of his game and looks presentable to the audience and now his fans. So they make what I say. They are all under the A&R managers, road managers, brand managers, personal managers. Now they.
Intino artist no or sorry no pa na said anything.
Artist depending. So we are either a rapper. Who's the artist from choir or rapper?
All right.
They are singers.
Singers, yeah.
Anyway, to me, but they can write. Category I'm talking about either a singer or a rapper.
Oh yes.
Now so a singer who here music director. Because you can't just use your rusty. You can't say you're a very good singer. But if you don't rehearse, you become rusty. So you need a music director. As if you're a singer, you need a music director to help you, coach you. Your daily singing. I mean, do, re, mi, fa,
so, la, ti, do.
Chata say.
La, ti, fa, so, la, mi, re, do.
Oh yes. So say if you sing, you don't go off key. Your performance on stage, so you need people to direct you with all these things. Say they make an what you say.
The artist need the recording,
writing. But Charlie, you need a good a sound mind to be able to write and record and look good. And perform good and well. What you say? Yes, that is the work of the managers. Say they make an what
artist need or record this and what then happens in the record label? What happens?
It's called marketing.
It's when your product you market
exactly
the product. Tell me what happens.
You need a marketing man. You need marketing. Market. Go school. Go marketing. And a day we say radio stations. Times and seasons. Okay, Charlie, this time if you drop your music, you go take. Exactly. This time, Charlie, we no go fit drop this music. Where you small. It's where so maybe next month or next year, where we go drop this music. Where we drop on a fire, it go catch. Marketers. So and so time, if your song we play for maybe Adon or maybe so and so radio station, you go. The kiddies they listen, then go joy, then go feel vibe. If I say they are from 5 they go no, if they are paying for radio, nkwala no mutie radio. Nkwala mean the teen, the youth. Vibe any bubbling. Gang hip hop now they. What you say? Almost time. So your time there, you from this time to so and so time. That is when people will get to hear your song. Yes, I own here. They think they are called radio station. It's marketing. You need marketers.
Good marketers.
What you say? School degree now. They have to be paid. So all these things fall under this
marketing
record label. No, it's your subsections. Our record label, and everybody has to be on their toes to work for you.
Record label, no, I made you man.
Oh yes.
artist and repertoire for no. Oma you make you managers are you make you business manager are you
yes.
Road manager are you need you
yes.
Branch manager are you need you personnel manager and so are you need you
oh yes.
I'm a fake no marketers I'm marketing and no na what they buy and I'm an boja.
Very good.
Oko joints, oko pubs, oko lounges.
Orokodo.
To mean say onyom no.
Orokodo.
Eye jam. Onyom no na monster music no. Oko baby a onyom na ebo. Na se asemba. Asemba se ASEM asemba.
Obedantem.
Why na bedantem? Na why na be koka bi ama artist no. Se me bia onyom na koye den na fe controversy bia ba.
Oh, okay.
It's the artist to respond, and as a management, you know, you will be will take care of that.
Okay. Now me first all cast them one sem. So
Yes,
okay.
Asem there's what done.
Okay. Sisi ano, nyom ni pie na se chale dey jam ya bo we dance na ade people they jam to the track na ade.
Controversy aba.
Controversy ba. Publicist, me say dey.
Publicist.
Thank you. Me that's what.
Management saying.
Publicist, no ye damage control.
Or a language teacher.
Language, I'm not musi abrofo school. Communication. Bini
man. Hey, shout outs to Bini man.
I'm not me damage control.
Oh yes.
I'm not the brofo confuse a man for me. What can brofo am there? And just say. Na you just say you to kwakwa.
Ampa. Or the botanical names.
Exactly. So be a clean job. Just to what still keep you relevant.
All right.
And keep your name out of the mud. Thank you. I just came to thief.
Hey. It's no sano. Enye kewa.
Debi.
Ana zuke kwesi oten.
Enye creamy.
Enye creamy na beba kasa. Enye drill dan kasa nso na.
Enye girl songs na beba be kasa.
It's highly spiritual. Then abezo ka chiro mo. Is it a record label?
Well, Ghana has say see I don't say any structures.
It's highly spiritual in these structures.
Baby. See the idea.
Na kewa oye engineer ana
say the kewa say software.
And who handles the music department?
Highly spiritual.
As usual.
Incident is the publicist Omejuma. Damage control. Not the perform when they are confusing Crawford. Crawford to 10 years, so the words they become appeasing up. They come cool. They tempest cool down.
Take your time.
For the artist.
Anyway, that
the publicist Ejuma no. But you say what you say?
Mantia secret.
But you say what you say? Wuti wotu.
The publicist na semba ono jine mu ema artist no. Ono koka.
Ase abo asem din wa habi.
Asemba me katwi aden.
You say abo asem din, asem so dem nim say ono.
Masa no more pan yo. Me catch you say asemma.
Okay.
A publicist
no. Publicist no. Eno jine mu.
Yes. PR.
Ozi artist ni din free mad nim. The Marine Clay.
Yeah. That ain't
Marine Clay.
Okay.
And I can say
part of Fabisia.
Okay. So Jimmy Dini
why is she
be na. Kwa kwata shi no ya. What be sausage? What be sausage?
Fine eh.
Wuti wotu.
One over so.
So yi artist ni din every mad nim. No people ni din nice. That's also presenting no.
The artist ni ko yi ni hu fi wa tache mu a.
Exactly.
E publicist no e na beji no.
Thank you. Me that's what. Wuti wotu.
And Ghana ha record label nsem na enye fe dia agro.
Enya sem kuma sa.
Enye simple crowd. Enya dia ye simple sa.
Simple.
My baby simple. Baby simple. It's really right. We must do simple. Woo! Kwesi Mensah agro be na odi wo Ghana. Steve Mensah eye Ishon ex manager.
Oh.
And no then I don't need Ishon eye no. And I show social one sign na me ya chegu so ya chegu so hey
I no mu you know
Steve Mensah record label Kofi Mensah so Steve Mensah record label na there a music group Bobo dancers
no a cantata network
cause recording label artist this are record label so abano manager yes say we dwuma na woni artist na da oh managers, business managers are more promoting artists' interest.
And chicken noodle soup, the same banging tone, skotakum. you give me headache.
Artist are back, but the project are back. Also, your business manager, you say you help, short help or long help.
Which help?
Which help? What's your help or what? Now what you say we boy artist later now you are having sexual activities with the artist. No confuse the artist. Now the love is in the so. No scamming artist, you know. Or sign 2 years, 3 years. Now the artist, you know, you see I bet done mental problem amano. She Ishon any governments. Is it a record label?
It's not a record label.
One man business. Only road manager or kosho on na or call them on na.
Pressing point.
What is that? Who does that? Eh, na BBNZ kra na record label.
Never mo.
Obu mo na. O ba o no yai. Bodo nche obu
Boda.
record label.
BBNZ never mo there no.
Cause never mo some share ejuma nice. They had the likes of EL or PF3 BBNZ. Leo Shaker, Kojo Q, Kusi or Team Munina, Mokofa BBNZ.
They started well.
No, they started well. They had vision.
They started well.
What's the record labels in Ghana no? Endorse. And I'm going to my serious no person we be been so.
Yes.
I'm going to kakra na. I'm about flat key.
E flat.
E flat. Na say Ejumade C. Eh, na say soko na ma koko. Ejumade C. Emoji beat obeti koko. Sa dey go see what BBNZ. Links Entertainment and record label.
Oh, Links mo dey omo modern. Modern. Give it up for Links, Richie.
Woo!
Kwasasa Joe.
Links in so umbo BBNZ akwa links.
But I did back where what Links are meant to. Hey, who free Links? Who
Ye biam.
But that
I say modifying.
I know that one. So that.
Easy baby. O si am boss e ma o ya boy en 7 years si awe. Chato so share ni mo.
Hey, so is the more door.
This way chocolate drink. You yan so share.
Oh,
black and see also a pasta. Boom boom, you say what? Boom 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 boom. You say what? Ono so we. Ziggy buy or say obi ndwane. O Links Entertainment na.
Wanye ye bio.
Let us see which mo boy juma
back to back, up down center XXY na de.
Ghana how be sure Richie mo no mo ti record label ase. Ever since Richie established here on bad down that every day with the new talents.
Etienne who free her pair.
Oh no, I told you she anymore.
I just said there are people who work.
Albert mu ye, Michael mu ye, juma what you say a family. I just said
Obia
when you juma. Your business manager or road manager or I just said a juma air cost into the piano no share some machine in one. It's a hit man. Big up to Links Entertainment. Ghana have Musia from Richie Mensa. That guy is a gem. Free Links Entertainment. And one of them say Pepe them be the shit up. Links Entertainment. Omo mukita juice no. Links Entertainment is the real deal.
Nkwa obe swag get. How about say hotel, auto. Come on.
About upcoming artist. Oh, join the record label and make sure say record label no. A serious record label almost various units and departments are a bit to a project a push or carry. Don't just join any 2x4 record label. You are endangering your future.
Producers ejumano.
Yes.
Once you're a producer, it doesn't make you a record label owner.
No. You see a record label obese ubia. Akwa dane sika.
Hey,
Abue sika.
Kuntusane.
Money stop nonsense.
Ega.
Take
me go.
L'argent.
Network.
Something inside so strong.
Hold me down.
And only as no. Cause you see how establish record label. Say that we be push artists
the propelling factor. Your friend the propelling factor.
Eska. If you don't have money, you can't move. It's either you stand tall
or you lie flat and they walk on you.
And it's all about the what?
Take me go.
It's all about the what?
Kuntu.
It's all about the what?
Pechiko.
And to establish a record label, make sure say you get all the necessary finance.
Yes.
I be backing a record label. No? They're pushing it to the top.
Your record label, so investors.
Investors. Business.
Yes.
Investors.
Investors who will invest in the company.
Record label, yeah.
Investors no see on the more pressure until you will be on your toes because they are also expecting money back.
A percentage.
What I say?
To me bamba invest. Yeah. Me yishi. Yeah, the nam
in the gym now.
And to me invest here, I'm expecting something.
What time now? Watch your dream that.
I dream batch of Debbie.
When you are there, they cheer dream.
Batch of
your friend be boom. When you boom.
Batch of I'm.
Boom, what they say? Exactly.
Who came in?
Now boom, a well. That is the take me go, the money.
So you need the money to run the record label.
You need the boom to run the record label.
The egga.
The
purchasing power.
Factor, yes.
You need it when you're establishing a record label. Subscribe to the YouTube channel Hype Masters. Oko YouTuber and one say wako subscription side and one me so not just say what subscribe it. You better top quality entertainment. Top quality entertainment review. And yeah, the mamo. Some person will get crispy, crunchy, or some will get fast and steady, swift and scroll, smart and catches and extra
vigilant
in case
it is saying,
but
lock it.